I think the Brewers would prefer to flip Happ around right-handed if they could. Hit a left-handed home run last night against Tobias Myers. Two-two pitch. And he got him looking. A fastball caught the outside corner. And Seiya Suzuki goes down looking. And the Cubs strand a pair in a scoreless bottom of the fifth.
Pair of seats.
We go to the sixth.
You know what, these boxes that come with all these semi-truck kits? These goofy boxes with all the goofy shit on top? Those things that are always left over after you're done building, they're always floating around in the box afterwards. I found a good use for those things. Like that. These seats here, these are from the Ravel. Oh my god, I got a couple of fingernails. Those are from the Ravel semi-truck. Snap together. In their interior, right here, they got a big box just like this, but taller. 2 holes on top. That's what I did here. Want to watch me? Want to watch? See if you can watch. I wonder if you can watch. Probably won't be able to stand you up here, huh? Yeah. Bought a can of paint.
Products not available in every state. American Family Mutual Insurance Company SI and its operating company, 6000 American Parkway, Madison, Wisconsin.
Every home run, stolen base, and strikeout. On the Brewers Radio Network, presented by American Family Insurance. It's a 0-0 ball game. We go to the top of the 6th inning. Tyone back out there on the mound. The first pitch to Garrett Mitchell. Mitchell hit into a 4-6-3 double play back in the third. He's 0 for 1 tonight. And the 1-0 pitch from Tyone, spraying to bunt again, and takes a strike to throw. 6th inning is the Woodman's Food Market's home run inning. Our contestant is Chad Lax from Fitchburg, Wisconsin. Jack has $1,100, Chad. As Mitchell bunts it up the third baseline, Morrell fields and throws and got him. Wow, that's a great play by
I originally put it in like this, but I'm like, I think it'd be back the seat up further on there because of the weight, centered anyways, but looks better like this than it would be like that.
Very close play. Doug Eddings, the crew chief. Very close play.
You get a drill bit the exact same size as those pins.
Brewers would love this base runner here. Getting a look at it. Yeah, I think he's
pretty cool, huh?
Sure looks like it to us. This is a close play. And it was called out on the field. That's worth noting, but I think he's safe. Doug Eddings already has the ball.
Another thing with this here, all together, just sitting in there. I noticed that with the back end goes up a little bit. Some daylight comes through right there. I got this little scrap piece of diamond plate yet. I'm going to put it in like that. I'm going to paint it when I paint this. I'm going to have to glue this in. I'm going to glue this in afterwards so it's glued up against here. So it's something better to glue to. Cut this in half. Put one half here, another half on the other side. You can see the gap. See that red behind there?
They said you're so fast. We want you to bunt, and he did it again.
So everything else come out pretty good so far. Now we got this piece. I'm gonna go on the inside of here. Like this too. Might be able to do it on the outside too. Then I'd have to do some goofy shape thing up here. I was gonna put it on the inside. Trim.
I will tell you who is not happy about this.
I don't know yet. Might be on the outside. You know, curve the top a little. Alright, check back. Make sure you do that stuff that everybody else tells everybody else to do, is click the like button and subscribe, and then do the notifications so when I post something you can get notified. YouTube doesn't notify anybody anyways, but you never know, you might be able to. I think I'm going to paint that antique white. Goes with that. Alright, bye.